In this video, I will show you how to fix corrupted RAR files in a few simple steps. First, let's download and install Remo RAR Repair on your system. And it also supports the latest RAR 5 format, ensuring compatibility with the most recent archive versions. Once installed, simply launch the software and locate the corrupted.rar file. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the location where the file is saved. Select the file and click Open. Now, the crucial step, click on the Repair button. The software will now start analyzing and repairing your RAR file. This process may take some time depending on the file size and the extent of corruption. Once the repair process is complete, choose a destination folder to save the repaired RAR file. Select a location and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your corrupted RAR file using Remo RAR Repair. And for more information on corrupted RAR file, check out our article in description.